All right, here's the deal. They bought this rocket right here. I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. Let me go over here. Hold on. We're in the pool. Let me go here. Yep. Yeah, look. We can take pictures here. No. And then they gotta pump it up 140 times, and then it takes off. Let me go over here. Shut up, Em. I will. If my Emma would be quiet for 5 minutes, I will. Take a picture, babe. Yeah, they got a pump. Linz, watch out. Linz, watch out, Linz. Lindsay. Okay, take a picture. Okay, they got to pump it. And then we shot it off twice, and it went over there into the neighbors. It went on the beach. Yeah, everybody watching. Look. Okay, here it is. Everybody's watching. Everybody ready for the rocket launch? Yay! What? No, I'm gonna get it from here. All right. Em, give me a break. We'll do it again tomorrow. Okay, we're almost ready. Alright, it looks like it's pointing that way. It's pointing towards this way. Yeah, it's straight. Yep. Now it is. The second is. Here we go! Count it down! Wait! Ready? 5, 4, wait! 3, 2, 1! It went in the pool! Oh, that was a dud. Somebody got it.
One of the kids got it.
Are they? The kids are going to get it.
All right, the girls have showtime.
Showtime?